concerns here with this brass. I think I put it over here in my concentricity gauge. And it's all like this. You can see the neck is just so off center. I mean, it's crazy. Try another one. Same thing. Should it be like this? It just doesn't make sense.